Want to make your dog or cat photo stand out? With Android 16 on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can now apply portrait effect not just to people but also to pets. One of the most fun effects is the Fisheye Lens, which gives your pet portrait a creative wide-angle look. To do so, open Gallery app, then open a photo of a dog or a cat. Tap the Photo Assist icon at the bottom. Swipe through the menu to open the Portrait Studio section. Swipe again to find Fisheye Lens and then tap it. Tap Generate to let your phone use AI to apply the effect. To get another variation, swipe left, then tap Generate one more. Swipe through the result. Once you find your favorite, tap Save Copy to save it as a new image in your gallery. Now you have got a fun AI-generated fisheye portrait of your furry friend. It's perfect for sharing on social media or framing on your wall. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.